turn your liabilities into assets. Thank you for watching our video. I'm Sunny Mitra, founder of Bright Horizon Wealth. We teach entrepreneurs and go-getters like you how to own their financial future with the concept of infinite banking. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every week we come out with brand new videos. Please stay tuned to the end of the video to get a valuable tool today and learn how you can make more money not by working any harder but by working smarter. So today's topic is how to turn your liabilities into assets. This is funny that every so-called financial gurus out there who talks about making you rich by creating a pool of investments, but they are only for people who already has thousands of dollars in their savings. Their message is, if you have money, come on in, we'll teach you how to make more money based on your existing amount of wealth. In fact, Fisher Investments goes even a step further and asks you to have at least $500,000 to invest in order to qualify for making an appointment with them. The sad part of the story is nobody talks about people who do not have a lot, or even worse, has more liabilities than assets. I googled Fisher Investments and this is the kind of requirement I got there. To open an account with Fisher Investments, you typically need to invest at least $500,000. However, the firm states that at its discretion, it may be willing to work with clients who have less. The firm also offers a wealth builder account that targets investors with at least $200,000 in investable assets. Do you see the dilemma? It's kind of chicken egg theory. In order to make money, you have to have money. But if you already have money, why would you need to make money? Or even better, how to have your initial seed money upon which you can build your financial portfolio if you're already in the negative. Or even worse, how to have your initial seed money upon which you can build your financial portfolio if you are already in the negative. My story goes back 30 years. As a banker, I saw firsthand how much people were hurting from debt. Since then, this question haunted me. Is there a secure, risk-free way for people to get out of debt and create an additional source of income for retirement? In 2011, a book by Mr. Nelson Nash titled Becoming Your Own Banker debunked the myth that debt is inevitable. I finished the book the same evening Amazon delivered it. This book opened my eyes to the fact that we all have the resources to get out of debt with mathematical accuracy. The only thing my banking clients lacked was financial literacy. All you need to do is spend a little time, do some research, and increase your financial knowledge. Mr. Nash's premise sounded too good to be true, so I struggled to believe it. How could such a complex problem have such a simple solution? I still needed proof. I compared the lives of people who were not using the infinite banking concept to those who were using it and getting out of debt, including their mortgage, in 9 years or less while creating a source of perpetual passive income for retirement. Then, when I found out one of my friends had been applying these principles for the last 3 years with substantial results, it was an epiphany for me. This couple had been $120,000 in debt, but in 3 years they pulled it down to $80,000 without working any harder or changing their lifestyle. And the best part was, they were doing it easily and effortlessly by putting the whole thing on autopilot. Would you like to find out how to get out of debt and increase your cash flow without working any harder? If your answer is yes, then I would like to help. I have prepared a free masterclass for you to watch from the comfort of your home to discover how you can also become a wealth creator using the infinite banking concept without any risk. Now, you have found a way to convert your liabilities into assets. And here is the tool for today. Recently, I was reading an article on medium.com titled Gratitude is the Mother of All Virtues. I loved it. All my life, I believed profoundly in the word gratitude, and I knew it for sure that it was one of the finest virtues a person can have. But nobody ever told me that it was also the mother of all virtues. I loved it. I thought not only my mother always used to say, be grateful for what you have. In the school, my teacher said, count your blessings, sonny. And I agreed to that. We should all be grateful for what we have in life right now and say thanks for that every day. Here is one thing you can do immediately right after you get out of bed in the morning. You say, I feel healthy, I feel happy, I feel terrific. And then say thank you for 3 things in life that you are grateful for right now, be it for your spouse, your children, your health, or any of your proud possessions. Try it today. You will be surprised with the good effects that it will have on you for the rest of the day. So do us a favor and comment below with a financial problem that you believe is affecting our society. It will help us improve our message. Thank you for watching our video today. I hope this video was able to kind of get your mind off of things and start thinking about your finances a little differently. If you want to learn more about it, check out our free on-demand masterclass by clicking the link below. And then also download our freebie, Financial Security from Coronavirus. It's a 100-page book which will prepare you not only to fight the recent COVID-19 virus problem, but also protect your portfolio from any financial virus. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with family and friends. And own your own financial future, or someone else will.